There's look at the end. Alright, look at the have a look at the end. Alright guys, that is me done. I'm gonna jump off for the night, but I'll be streaming again tomorrow night. I'll probably be doing the same thing, playing a little bit of Evil Within, because I actually really enjoyed that. That was really cool. And probably play a little bit of Fortnite as well, or Dead by Daylight to change things up a little bit. If you're streaming tomorrow, Kelsey, I'll definitely be jumping in. Say hello to you, see how you're going. But other than that, I am jumping off, guys. Good night from here, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Open it.
What do you mean?
You gotta open them.
Oh, okay.
You get cool stuff out of it.
Birthday medallion. Oh, here we go.
Yeah, you sometimes even get cool weapons out of it too.
Okay. Bunkers open and shit like that. The middle of the circle is Nitro Dome at the moment if you want to head towards that way.
Yep. Where did
Yeah,
you
I got a birthday. What?
Where did you say that bunker was, sorry? Where is you?
There's 3 of them. There's one there.
Oh yeah,
There's one there.
Iron Man thing too.
There's one there.
Yeah, we can head towards it, because we got that Iron Man thing in the middle of it. So.
That island thing's just popped up.
Yeah, the weird thing.
The rift.
That thing. Oh, there's one of those. Pistol, I don't like that.
I don't know how do you even get the birthday balloons?
I think sometimes you can pick them up. You can like pick up like a packet, but you get them in those birthday presents.
Oh, there's people just here.
Yeah, I can't see. Oh, there they are.
And of course, there's gunfight on the island.
Yeah, in the game on the ground, or you can get the birthday medallion. That's how you get those ones.
Oh, right, okay. So, I picked up the birthday medallion, that's what it is.
Oh, there's that island thing. Okay. Alright, I'm coming up.
Alright.
I don't want to do that, but I'll take that. Hello, thank you. I have expected it to work though. Maybe.
People. One down top. I don't know where he's going. It is hot shit. GG's.
I think I'm pretty ready to jump off though. I'm getting pretty tired. That was a good game though.
I didn't mind that. It was good.
Oh, good. What about? Yeah, 2 hours. We had the hour of the Evil Within, and we had an hour of Fortnite, so it's been pretty good. But I think I'm going to jump off for the night. It's getting pretty late now. It's more midnight, so I think that'll be just about done. Go to bed before the little gremlin wakes up at 7. Much as I love him dearly, I don't know where he gets to.
Buggers.
Hey. does loot at the end. Alright. Have a look at the end. Alright guys, that has been done. I'm going to jump off for the night, but I'll be streaming again tomorrow night. I'll probably